brought some asshole cleaning kit.
Sweet. Well, motherfucker. Lake 22 was rude. Lake 22 was packed, as it usually is on the weekends. So we're
well, it didn't help that some of the people were parked like jackasses.
Retards. It's like... It's like, yeah... I mean, we could have parked a little closer, but...
yeah, well, I'm ready for this hike.
Well, I am fasting today. I'm not going to eat till we get back to the house. What are you going to write? This is why we're here. Breakfast of Champions right here. Not sponsored.
Make sure you hear an acorn fall first, so that you think it's gunfire.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
and then you do those somersaults.
And fire some more.
Yeah.
My turn. So far, so good. A little hazy here.
This camera is a whole process to start recording with.
Here. Hi. There's a waterfall over there somewhere. And all he wants to do is whip out his phone and fart. Heard that. I was rolling too. Don't lose your stick. Ooh. All foggy and shit.
Rocky trail. That's why I'm not busting out the camera as I'm hiking, because trying to record and hike at the same time, not gonna work so well.
No.
Trip up on shit. Camera's gonna be bouncing all over the place. Then we got a funky stump. Actually, that's an old root ball. And my glasses are fogging up like crazy, and I can't see anymore, so I need to get moving. There seems to be sections missing out of the bridge.
Nope, guess we're gonna have to turn back.
I better take a little nip of cinnamon whiskey before I do this.
Oh, this is a little gnarly. He made it up, so my turn. Camera's going away. Starting to hit some areas where we kind of have to second guess of, are we on the right trail? Because it kind of disappears. There we go. Well, I think we're almost to the lake. We see it.
Yeah, that's right there.
Yeah. Kind of got distracted by talking about furries and Joe Biden. I'm not sure about flying the drone.
Yeah, you're not gonna get any footage with the drone unless you keep it a little, keep it down low or something.
Yeah. Well, maybe I could see the other side of that lake.
Oh, well, right there. Ihate Dietcola.
Now we're just looking for a spot to hang out at and just chill for a bit. I'm gonna chill out in the lake. Because I can. Don't forget to bring a towel. There's a little rodent here, chipmunk thing.
I think it hold
No,
ass.
yeah, he's like, fuck this. All the ones at Kolchak Lake, oh my god, they're so docile.
Yeah, probably because they're used to people feeding.
Yeah,
them,
they
which is
like.
rather sad. You shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah, I got had one hop on my shoulder.
Yeah.
And then there was one that.
It's cute and all, but sad at the same time because they really shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah. And I had one eating my Catalina Crunch cereal, and that stuff's probably not good for him.
Yeah.
Okay. Find the trail again because we just. Still looking for a spot where I can sit comfortably. At least it's not crowded up here. Barf. Good enough. Yeah, I just went for a swim. According to my watch, the water temperature is 52 degrees. And yeah, it's nice and clear. I didn't take a camera with me to do video, underwater video. There's really not much to see underneath there anyway. So, and my fingers are getting numb.
I'm just here stuffing my face.